This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight bulb on a BMW 2 Series. Start by parking on level ground, turning off ignition, and opening the hood. Locate the headlight assembly and remove the plastic cover or access cap. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the clip. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise and pull it free. Handle the new bulb by its base, insert, rotate to lock, reconnect harness, and test the light. Begin with removing the plastic access cover or air intake if it blocks the assembly. Release any retaining clips and gently pull the old bulb straight out after rotating as needed. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean with electrical contact cleaner if required. Compare the old bulb's part number to the new one to ensure a match. Avoid touching the glass of halogen bulbs and wear gloves or use a clean cloth. Inserting the new bulb requires aligning the tabs with the socket and rotating until it seats securely. Reconnect the wiring harness and secure any clips or covers you removed earlier. Turn on the headlights to verify proper operation and check beam alignment from a short distance. If aiming is off, adjust the headlight aiming screws per the owner's manual. Reinstall air intake or trim and lower the hood when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.